Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a to-do list using Airtable, your ultimate task management tool. First up, sign into your Airtable account or create one if you haven't yet. This allows us to start with a clean slate and customize as we please. Now, let's hit the plus add a base button and select Start from Scratch. This gives us a blank canvas where we can create our to-do list from scratch, providing us maximum flexibility. Next up, rename your base to something like To-Do List and the table to Tasks. The reason we do this is to keep our workspace organized and easy to navigate. Now click on plus Add Field to add new columns. We'll start with task name, due date, priority, and status. These are the basic elements of any to-do list, helping us track what needs to be done, when, and its level of urgency. Now that we've done that, let's create a new task. Click on the plus button next to the last row of your task list. Here you can enter the task name, set a due date, assign a priority, and set its status. This helps us because it allows us to track our tasks and progress in a systematic way. Moving on, Airtable allows you to view your tasks in various formats. Click on the Grid View drop-down menu and select Calendar View to see your tasks arranged by their due dates. This is a handy feature because it lets you visualize your deadlines and plan your time accordingly. Remember, you can always add more fields to your to-do list as per your requirements. For example, you might add a Notes field for any additional information about a task. The beauty of Airtable is its flexibility, allowing you to customize your to-do list to fit your specific needs. Lastly, don't forget to save your progress regularly. Just hit the Share button on the top right corner and select Download CSV. This ensures that you always have a backup of your to-do list. And that's a wrap. You've now created a fully customized to-do list using Airtable. Keep exploring its features and tweak your list to your heart's content. Remember, the key to a good to-do list is one that works for you. Happy planning!